April with Flowers from the Boss Family. We garden in Zone 4A, and today we are going to do some fun things. So my mom bought some millet last year, and so for the first time, not for the first, well, maybe, I saw it on Casey, what is her name? I think it might be Casey, but I think it's the Lawrence family on here. I can't remember. I'll check. But anyways, so she had millet, and I'm like, I need that in my garden because I tend to like some of the darker things popping in around the garden. So we planted, well, Matt did. Matt planted the millet on the 12th of this month, which was a Sunday. And 2 days later, it started germinating. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's up here. Hi. We had it on a, my camera is like too far down. But anyway, we had this on a heat mat, and then I think we had plastic wrap over it. And then like 2 days later, Matt was like fidgeting around in here. I'm like, hold on, I think that is sprouting. And sure enough, they were little tiny pieces of grass. So I'm going to show you. And we had it on a heat mat too. So this is like not even a week later, and we killed some of it. We killed some of it. So what happened is, oh, the lighting is so awful. Sorry, guys. Let's try to fix it. Okay. Shadows. Got shadows. That's not better, but it's fine for now. I'll pause it and fix it. What happened is, I think, for one thing, I think it got too dry. And another thing is, I think we had the lights were on like 24 hours. And so I think they got burnt up and they were too dry. So we fiddled around with the lighting. It's on a timer and stuff. So it's supposed to go on at, I can't remember. I think he has it go on at 6 in the morning, and then it's supposed to turn off at 10. And I don't think it was. So I think it was on for 24 hours. And so we're going to plant them up in, hold on, let me show you. Matt did the dirt part because it takes me, I don't know why it takes me so long, but it does. It takes me so long to get them in here. So we're going to plant them up in here. Well, I am. And I think I'm going to put, well, depending how many I have here, we'll see what I have. So I'm going to plant them up in here, and I'll show you how I do that. And then we have some, so we have some echinacea that we planted. Let's see. We planted that on the 11th, which was a Saturday, last Saturday, so a week ago. And last night, well, yesterday, I should say, I noticed that it was germinating, which is so exciting because it's supposed to take, I have it written down. Let me look. It's supposed to take 14 to 21 days. So I wasn't expecting it. So I think I'm not, this part is kind of weird for me because what we did was we just filled this up with dirt and just threw a bunch in there to see what would germinate. And I know like lots of people do it that way, but I don't think I'm going to do it that way again because it just doesn't feel right to me. So what we have over there is 72 cells, and that's filled with dirt too because I'm going to do snapdragons today, which is what I'm really looking forward to. They just germinate so well, and we get so many of them. So anyway, I'm going to show you the echinacea. You might not be able to see that we got. These are the tiny little echinaceas. There's a few. I count one, I don't even know. Oh, I think this one might be the best one so far. Can't get it to focus. And then we have a bunch of little ones over here. And then this is the millet that I am going to be potting up into these ones. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we are going to pot up these millets because they're not doing very good in here because these ones died. And so we have a few left that are surviving, so I'm gonna pot them up in these. And actually I think I'm gonna, not this part. Actually what I think I'm going to do is use these bigger ones because I think I'm gonna plant three, let me see. You can watch. Everyone wants to help, but sorry. This is new for me, so I don't really know what I'm doing. And usually I have Matt do all this stuff, but I'm turning over a new leaf. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Maybe I can get a closer shot. Charlotte, how do I get it?
Do you want me to go back there?
No, back here.
Here, I'll just go like this. Don't move the thing. So I'm going to take these out. Let's start with this one right here. So I'm going to show you. Let's see, which one can you see good? Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it? No. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'll start with this one because you can kind of see it. So you just carefully pull it out of the dirt, and there's the root. I can't find it. There it is. There's the root, and we're gonna get it in. Beep 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 beep.
Just a baby.
Oh yeah, we could use a wipe from the bathroom.
Want to use a pencil to do it?
No, I'm gonna do it right here.
There. Is that better?
Okay, be careful. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on, I'm gonna get you guys closer.
I'm helping you.
Okay, so here's one, and here is the little root. I'm just gonna dig a little hole in there with my finger
It's mine.
and pat it down.
Boop. Boop.
So there's one.
Do you want me to take this one out?
Carefully. No, 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 November. Okay.
Just the little babies. Oh, remember, we gotta keep that in there.
Ooh, that has a lot of roots. You see that?
Ooh, that's a lot.
So I'm just gonna,
Remember, there's a thing growing right there. You can't touch.
okay guys, I might have to stop because November is getting into stuff that you shouldn't be getting into. Oh, this one's kind of.
Want me to pull one out? That one? Ooh,
I'll
that's a
get
big one.
one out for you, baby.
And I'm gonna stick it in there.
Remember, there's things growing over
Yes,
here.
don't touch that, November. I'm gonna pot them up.
I'm going to take this up. Don't
Remember,
get
like
this
Mom
out.
said. Mom said.
Okay.
Can't touch them.
So I think I'm gonna put 3 in there and see what happens. And then let's move over to, no, I don't want it wet. Let's move over to this. I think
I
I'll
pull this
do
thing out?
one. So I have no idea what I'm saying here. I think I'm talking about how hard it was to do the planting with hands everywhere, extra hands, November's hands and Charlotte's hands. And so then I'm showing you that I'm spraying the millet and I'm spraying the echinacea and I don't know what else I'm saying. So sorry, my microphone, like I said in the earlier in this little clip, is that my microphone batteries died and I had no idea. What I'm doing here is showing you the echinacea. The echinacea are so tiny, so they barely have any roots, but I planted up 9 of them, and this was a couple days ago, so now I left some in there and they're still growing. There's like 11 growing now, but I just wanted to show you how tiny they are, and we, like I said, planted up 9 of them in these little containers. Here I'm just showing you that I'm spraying them a little bit. They're barely any roots, so you don't need to get the whole container of dirt wet. So you just spray them up, and then that's what I've been doing every day. So hopefully they work. Here I'm just showing you that I have them all potted up, the 9 echinacea, and I'm going to go put them under the lights. They're all sprayed with water, and I'm going to put them under the lights and to help them grow on now. And I have no idea what else I'm saying, so this is just a little silly video of me saying, hey, here I am putting these over here. And then I'm showing you the millet and the echinacea. They're all in the same thing under the lights.